everyone, this is Shruti Saburi from Force Biomedical team and I am here to tell you all about Force Biomedical, our vision, missions and objectives. Force Biomedical is a professional and non-profit organization registered under Telangana Society Registrations Act 2001. And we are emerging as one of the largest membership holding organizations in the stream of biomedical engineering from both public and private sector organizations as well as enterprises. And we are established to unite the worldwide biomedical engineers on the hands of technology, innovations, knowledge share and also the interaction only for the growth of biomedical engineering community. We provide a platform to the members of this community to meet and discuss issues with mutual interest with professionals in the field of biomedical engineering and also related areas. We are mainly here to promote the advancement and diffusion of the knowledge in biomedical engineering and also elevation of biomedical profession. Force Biomedical is one of the largest service provider for promoting biomedical engineering, which involves mainly in the development of career of a biomedical engineering, also with providing guidance to both freshers and professionals in the field of biomedical engineering, also promoting job services and supporting state biomedical associations to conduct workshops and technical seminars for both professionals and students, and also improving the national and international recognition and importance of biomedical industry. We are visioned to be one of the best and largest autonomous organization for biomedical professions in both corporate and non-corporate hospitals in India and abroad. Force Biomedical is an organization whose mission is to serve both biomedical engineers and industries globally and also to promote state biomedical engineers, associations, organizations of state, national and international, and strengthen the biomedical technology and also to encourage the biomedical technology in both government and non-governmental sectors. As a whole, to increase public understanding and to provide mechanism for a biomedical engineer and also support to a biomedical engineer to connect or to partner, explore, share and increase their technical knowledge and also to inspire and multiply their contributions in the field of biomedical industry. To provide voluntary services to biomedical engineering and related areas, to unite worldwide biomedical engineers into the advancement of world medical health technology, to organize technical meetings, seminars, workshops, career development activities, educational programs and also providing guidance and conference in the area of biomedical engineering, to promote high standards and principles in the administration of biomedical engineering, to create, guide, maintain, support and grant affiliations to all the institutions, research bodies and technical centers, societies, research centers, libraries and also student bodies for working in the stream of biomedical engineering. To serve as a forum where engineers, researchers, scientists, innovators and technologists in the field of biomedical engineering can exchange their ideas and learn from each other. To promote trainings on biomedical engineering technology and recent advancement and educate freshers and as well as biomedical students in this stream. To cooperate, coordinate and collaborate to work with other organizations, institutions and research academies in the field of biomedical engineering both in India and abroad based on mutual agreed terms and conditions towards the advancement of biomedical engineering and other related areas. Thanks for watching. We are everywhere on social media. Please join our groups and channels. All the biomedical professionals, students and freshers, hit the subscribe button. We will be coming with more updates on biomedical development.